am going to explain you how to download ChemDraw free, because many of the students or the researchers require ChemDraw to draw the molecular structure. They can represent their work in the research articles or books or according to their need, because you can't draw by hand, so you can use this software. You can represent very neatly. So let us see how to download. So go to the browser here in Google. You can search ChemDraw free download. So the first link, you can click on the first link. So this is the interface of this ChemDraw software. So ChemDraw Pro 8.0, the primary chemistry tool. Usually the chemistry field, those who are working or the students, they require to draw the chemical structure, so they are going to use this software. But some of the researchers other than chemistry, if they want to draw the organic molecular structures, then they require ChemDraw. So this is very helpful for them if you download this software. So here is the Chem interface, and you can see how the software looks when you download, and you can draw the structure. I am going to explain you how to draw the structure. So here is the link, free download ChemDraw Pro 8 software for the following download links. Click on this. Once you click, you can download that software. Okay, here you can see I have already downloaded, so you can download it. So here is the downloaded file. I am going to click on that. Here is the file, ChemDraw 7. Click on that. Here are again the folders inside. So here I am going to go to this file, installers. Again you have to click. So here is the two files are there. One is your setup. If you click on this, you are going to install the software, and serial number you require when you are installing the software. So let us click on the setup. So once you click on the setup, it will ask that whether you are going to run the software. Then you should say yes. So here is the interface. So do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Click on yes. So you can see preparing to install. So welcome to the install shield wizard ChemDraw. So you can click on next. I accept the terms in the license agreement. I do not accept the terms in the. So click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next, organization. You can write ChemDraw. That is, you have to write in organization. Then serial number. So here is the Word file. So click on that. Copy the serial number. Paste it here in this box. Then registration code also copy from here and paste it here in this box. Install this application for all users of this machine. Click on next. So here are the complete or custom. Select complete default, and the installation is going to be in the program files. Click on next. Click on install. So installation shield wizard completed. Click on finish. So your software has been installed. So let us check here in the search box ChemDraw. So here you can open this software ChemDraw Pro 8. Okay. So this is the interface of the ChemDraw Pro. So you can use the software to draw the molecular structure. So this is how you can install the software and you can easily draw the molecular structures. So very useful software to draw the chemical structures. I hope this video is helpful. How to install, how to download this ChemDraw. All the steps and procedure I have explained. So in the next video, I am going to explain using this ChemDraw tools how to draw the structure. You can also, if you have the molecular or IUPAC name, you can get the structure. Otherwise you can draw the structure and you can get the IUPAC name. So all the steps I am going to explain in the next video. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.